Alright, peeps, what to do? This is your boy, the #1 daddy, Swagg Daddy. Tonight, I got a stunt because I got a brand new toy for my baby.
Philtv, Phillips fam, Philtv, Phillips fam, Philtv, Phillips fam, Philtv, Phillips fam.
You got Tim Dog, Kiki, TJ, and Kaylee, yo, and Swagg Daddy. Yeah, I'm Swagg Daddy. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram. Yo, come and kick it with the fam. Yeah, come and kick it with the fam. Subscribe, like, and comment below. For sure, Phillips fam gonna kick in the dough. I'm telling you now that we about to blow. The whole wide world gonna know all about
Philtv, Phillips fam, Philtv, Phillips fam, Philtv, Phillips fam, Philtv, for Phillips fam.
Yep, y'all see it, y'all. I'm loving my life right here. My girl, my sweet thing, my S550. You see it right there, dog. Hey, I was gonna put some 22-inch Lexani rims in this bad boy, man, but I thought about it, and I was just like, man, you know what? The bigger the rims, the smaller the tire, the rougher the ride. Besides, man, something about seeing that AMG right in the rims, but that ain't what I want to do this video for, man. Right now, I just got to snap because I just got my actual new thing in it. Y'all see it, baby. Y'all see it. Mercedes-Benz logo down there, doc. Hey, man, I'm going to dim that down. You can see a little more. See that? Got it installed, baby. Did it myself. Ordered these lights, man. They don't come standard on a Mercedes. I mean, I thought it did when I first saw this, but I talked to the Mercedes dealership and they was like, no, we don't install that, man. You know, you gotta get that third party. So I was able to get these actual lights on my doors, man, so I can extend a little harder. I mean, I have my 22-inch Lexani on Pirellis, but I'm riding a Mercedes AMG, baby. Now I may chrome these, I don't know. Y'all comment below, let me know. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications button. But these rims right here, man, standard Mercedes-Benz, man, this AMG, I need to get that fixed. But I'm thinking about getting them chromed out. Should I chrome them? Since I'm not gonna do the 22-inch Lexanis, I may do like, keep these on either some Continentals or some Pirellis. I don't know yet. Continentals is usually what Mercedes put on their cars, man, but that's tell of the night right there, baby. The Ghostlights, baby, the shadow lights. You see them. Now the Benz just elevated a whole new game, doc. Check out the inside of my car too. Check out the inside. I know I haven't really shown you guys the inside of my ride yet, but fully loaded. The Benz, I'm going to dim that light down a little bit. Y'all see it, man. I got night vision on here. The night vision on, and I can see through the camera of my car on the actual dash, man, where it shows me the speed and everything. I think that's a stupid feature, man, but you know, I got it. Now, what I really like about this car is the ambient lighting up in here, man. I showed y'all that before. Got the ambient lighting, man. It goes all the way around in the back seat. People in the back can see the ambient lighting and everything, man. You really can't see it that good, man. I ain't gonna go up under there, you can see it like that. You want some privacy back here, man. Press this little button right here. Get some privacy, man. That way somebody behind you can look inside the ride, but you just shut them out. And the privacy don't stop right there. You got privacy back here too in the back window. You just press that up button again on the window, and it goes up, baby. Both sides. You bring it back down. You know what I'm saying? Simple as that. But I'll show y'all the Benz, man. You know, I love my little car, man. You know, y'all can look at me, man, funny, hate me. I don't really care. I'm living a life, man. But the main thing is, I just wanted to be able to show y'all the Benz. Let y'all see the inside a little bit. I got the seats. I really wanted the one with the actual peanut butter or beige seats, man, but I got kids, so I'm kind of glad I saw this one. It was like when I saw this in the actual Benz dealership, it was just like, I fell in love with it, man. The leather was so clean, everything was, you know, the black looked so good, it looked presidential. And I kind of like this more than the actual light seats now. I used to love the light seats. My last car, I had the light seats, man, but this black is this. Black is beautiful, baby. Car black, inside's black. I got the P3 package, AMG Sports package. This is not an AMG motor up in here, man, but I got the AMG Sports package, man. Leather wrap steering wheel, man. When you had an AMG Sports package, you can tell the difference from a couple of different things right here. When you look down here, 2 different things stand out. That's the AMG Sports right there, baby. You don't have that honeycomb right there, man. Nor do you have the fog lights like this. The fog lights look different. Also, when you get that extra Benz, doc, you open that AMG package, you get the tailpipes, man. With AMG, I don't know if you can see it. Can't. I got the flash on, trying to bring that down a little bit. But you can see the AMG up here somewhere, man. You barely see it, but it's right there. You get the actual tailpipe. Now, you know, of course, all the Mercedes-Benz S-Class 550s, 563 AMG, they all have the actual dual exhaust, but they highlight, you have the molding to show you the dual exhaust on that. This right here be all the same color as this, and you got a little, you know, basic pipes coming down right there, man. But y'all see it, S-Class, baby. It's not C. I need to clean my car. I skip C-Class, E-Class, jump all the way to S-Class, dog. Look at the wife out here, boy. You know what I'm saying? Hey, she see it too. You know what I'm saying? She see it. She hate. She over there hating on me, boy. But y'all seen it, man. I had to go ahead and show y'all my little lights. I'm gonna give me a little Amazon review, man, because the guy, he left a comment that I thought was very helpful, but it actually was incorrect information. It's like he just didn't install it right. But y'all see it, man. I got it finally. After all this time, dog. Ghostlights. Hey, deuces, subscribe, like, comment below. Swagg Nation, baby. Go ahead and become a part of this movement, dog. Hit the notification button. That way you get notified whenever I drop a video. I try to drop videos like at least once a week. Probably more than that once I get everything going. But y'all stay tuned for the next upcoming video, baby. Deuces.